When politicians treat the constitution like a speed bump instead of the rulebook, ordinary people must ask, who really runs this country? South Africans, this one is deeper than party politics. This is about power, accountability, and whether the ANC still respects the democratic system it once helped build. The video around the ANC and Constitution Hill hits a nerve because Constitution Hill is not just another building. It is the home of the Constitutional Court, the highest guardian of our democracy. It stands on painful history, a place where freedom fighters were once jailed, and where today the law is supposed to stand above politicians. So when the ANC is dragged into legal battles, political pressure, or public controversy linked to this space, the symbolism is massive. The video focuses on growing tension between the ANC and constitutional institutions. Whether it's legal defeats, court challenges, pressure over appointments, or public criticism, the message is clear: the ANC is increasingly being checked by institutions it can no longer fully control. That's the real story. For years, the ANC moved like it was untouchable. But now, courts, watchdogs, journalists, and angry citizens are pushing back. We've seen major rulings against the ANC before, including defeats over cadre deployment records and transparency battles. The South African. So this isn't one isolated drama. It's part of a pattern. Let's be honest, Mzansi. This is what happens when liberation history meets present-day failure. The ANC still leans heavily on its struggle credentials. Many South Africans respect that history, and rightly so. But history can fix potholes. History can stop load shedding. History can create jobs for young people sitting at home with qualifications and no future. Now the party faces a new enemy: accountability. And accountability doesn't sing struggle songs. Accountability asks, where did the money go? Why are municipalities collapsing? Why is unemployment still sky high? Why do connected cadres eat while communities suffer? That's why these court battles matter. This connects to. This story is not only about the ANC. It reflects the everyday frustrations across the country. People are tired of candles, broken traffic lights, and businesses suffering while leaders make speeches. Unemployment. Millions of young South Africans are hustling just to survive. Some have degrees. Some have skills. No opportunities. Municipal collapse. In many areas, dirty water, sewage spills, broken roads, and corruption tenders. Crime. Communities feel abandoned. People buy private security because trust in the state is low. When citizens see politicians fighting legal institutions instead of fixing these issues, anger grows. Now let's talk straight. Whenever powerful politicians attack courts, judges, or institutions, ask yourself one thing. What are they scared of? Because honest leadership welcomes scrutiny. Corrupt leadership fears it. Sometimes the strategy is simple. Distract the public with drama. Blame institutions. Play victim. Protect internal factions. Keep feeding patronage networks. And while all this happens, the public pays. Here's the contradiction that frustrates many South Africans. The ANC helped shape constitutional democracy, yet parts of it often clash with the same democratic checks and balances when decisions don't go their way. That's like building a house, then getting angry when the doors lock against intruders. You can praise the Constitution when it helps you and attack it when it holds you accountable. Some people think court politics is elite stuff. It's not. When institutions are weakened, ordinary people suffer first. Corrupt tenders mean fewer clinics. Political appointments mean failing services. Delayed justice means stolen money never returns. Weak governance means no jobs, no safety, no dignity. So yes, this fight reaches the township, the village, the taxi rank, the spaza shop, the unemployed graduate, and the struggling parent. Mzansi reality check. South Africans are not stupid. People can respect the ANC's historical role and still demand better now. That's maturity. That's democracy. That's growth. Blind loyalty is expensive. Accountability is cheaper. This ANC versus Constitution Hill drama is really about one question. Does power serve the people, or protect itself? Because if leaders spend more time fighting institutions than solving problems, then the country moves backwards. And Mzansi has already paid too much. What do you think, South Africa? Is the ANC being unfairly targeted? Or is accountability finally catching up? Can the ANC still renew itself? Or is it time for a new political era? Drop your views in the comments, no fence sitting. And if you want bold, honest breakdowns of South African politics, like, share, and subscribe. Let's grow a community that speaks truth without fear.